Yeah, yeah. Hi, everyone. So, last class, in last video, we have installed and we have discussed what are the softwares we have installed and what are the softwares we have installed related to the execution of the program. So, basically, those whichever we have installed, all the softwares are very useful for coding purpose. Like whenever if you want to execute some particular C++ or C programming, so these are all the softwares that should be mandatory. So coming to today's topic, we need to we need to write a C programming class, C programming for a few programs, and we need to execute. So right now I will show you how to execute the programs and how the file should be saved, and how we need to push it to push that particular code into git bash. So this and all we will explain in this video. So let me share my screen. Yeah. Open VS Code. Just wait a minute. Yeah. So basically, this is our folder structure. So under software, I mean in outside, in our local, we need to create one desktop folder in one folder in our desktop. So like basically I have created the folder name called code, so that I have imported into VS Code. So in that VS Code there is a there is one software called, I mean one folder called software. So under software I have created five parts, in the sense like we need to execute five program. So uh, so that's why I have I mean I have created five parts. So coming to first part, I have written one, I mean I have written a code. This is nothing but whether the number should, I mean which is the number larger. So find a larger number. So after writing the code, how we need to execute, in the sense, go to terminal. I mean if you click on Control J, terminal will be open, and this path should be in path one. So basically I'm in part one. So uh, the location should be is also in part one. So right now if we press the commands like C++ max.cpp -o max.o, just check the command. Yeah, now you can just type dot slash file name, enter. So here it is asking enter the first value. So if just assume it as 20, and second value just assume it as 35. So here the larger number will be displayed, because the program is like we need to define which number is larger, whether first number or second number. So here out of, comparing to 20 and 35, the larger number is 35. So right now this is executed. So going to the part 2, part 2 also same. So here in part 1 we have done entire programming in one file. So here we have divided it into three parts. So basically we need to create one part 2 folder under software. After creating part 2 folder, so we need to create three subfolders. One is build, next is include, and next is src, source src. So under build, under include, we need to create our file that is called .http, our file and http. So I have created one file, and let's see, I have written a program, I mean I have defined. And under src we need to create two files. One is main.cpp, and then next one is function, our, I mean function.cpp. So these are the programs I have written. So right now if you want to execute this program, Control J. So basically what we need to do, if we need to come out of this cd, just type enter. mm, okay, that's fine. So next, this is in part 2, so we need to go for part 2 location. Click on part 2, cd part 2. So yeah, right now we are in up to mark. So right, like now you just type the commands like Yeah, this we will type I think g plus plus hyphen I include hyphen c src slash file name. You need to keep file name maximum maximum dot hpp, sorry, maximum dot cpp hyphen o build build slash my underscore maximum dot o, then type the command. Yeah, now it's success. This is for cpp. Now click on how to run for main function. Include hyphen c source slash main dot. Every time we need to remember these commands, guys. So we need to remind the commands, then only it will be very helpful for us. Now try to click on this. Yeah, now it's also done. So coming to next part. So once we have written the program, we need to execute three commands. So that one I will tell you. Maximum dot o build slash main dot o build. Here just write anything. That's what you need to remember. This maximum code. Yeah, now the final command is slash dot build dot slash build slash, and you just write whatever the name you have given upside maximum code. So here see, m is greater than l, so we have written according to that only. We got the output m is greater than l. The program indicates that k is equal to 9, r is equal to 10. So l is equal to k, in the sense l is equal to 9, r is equal to, I mean m is equal to 10. So here, so m is equal to r in the sense m is equal to 10, l is equal to 9. So m is greater. So here we got the output. So we have completed two programming. Coming to part 3. Yeah, this is nothing but pointers. So I have written this pointer, I mean I have defined here. Next I have written two classes in src. One is main.cpp and one is one is function.cpp. So this is nothing but swapping the integer. So how we need to swap the integer? So after writing the code, same process, open terminal, go out of this path and just type, go to part 3. Yeah, now we are in part 3. The same way, click on these commands previously which I have said. Yeah, and change the file names here. Okay, this is my pointer pointer pointer.cpp. Here also pointer.o. Click on this. Yeah, we got. Next, go for third one. Sorry, go for second one, main. We need to build the main. So, yeah, main dot, that's fine. So next, go for third one. Third command is like yeah. So here we need to change the file name, keep it as pointer. Next one, build, and just write pointer code, anything. This is nothing but our reference pointer. Yeah, now execute this program. So the last command is slash dot slash build slash pointer code. Now run the command. See here you are getting, before swapping a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. After swapping a is equal to 20, b is equal to 10. See here also, if we close the terminal, the values here we have given is 10, 20. So we have got the third output also. Coming to fourth one, The fourth one also same. We need to create one folder called part 4. Under part 4 we need to create three subfolders: build, include, and src. So under include we need to create a http hppp file, and under src file, and src folder we need to create two files called, one is our main.cpp, and one is called our function, function.cpp. So after I have written the programming here, I have written the code for calculate statistics. So if we need to run the program, so just go out of this path. I mean, we are in part 3 here. So every time if you want to run the code in, if you want to run part 4 code, so we need to first get out from this, and we need to just type part 4. Yeah, so see, now we are in part 4. So the same commands whichever we have used before, we need to point at the same. So here we need to change this file names. Whatever we have given here, we need to mention only those file names. Okay. So calculate stati stic. We need to mention only these files. Now this, try to keep here also the same file. Yeah. So then calculate statis stic, calculate statistics. So then come here. Here also you need to change. Here previous file name is there, so you need to change up our file name. Calculate statis. Okay. Now just we need try to execute this program. Yeah, now it's gone. Now it's came. So next go for main. Yeah, yes. So after completing this main.cpp, we need to go for last command, which are, yeah, here you just write our file name, remove my pointer, remove my my underscore pointer, just type calculate statistic. Okay, here I just calculate code, calculate code. Now just type enter. I think check the spelling mistakes, whether we have, yeah, we have written wrong. calculate stics. Yeah, okay. Now try to execute this program. Yes, we have got. So next I build slash calculate code. Yeah, just enter the first number, and then the second number only for. So here we are like, this program is really nothing but we need to find the sum, we need to find the difference, we need to find the product, and we need to find the average. So here I have given 23 and 25 to 23 plus 25 is nothing but 48, and if we minus 23 from 25 we will get -2, and if we do multiplication from multiplication 23 into 25 we will get 575, and if we do average we will get 24. So like this we need to do this program. So coming to part 5, this is nothing but matrix. So I have written same way. We need to create one folder, and in the side folder we need to create three three subfolders. Under three subfolders, in under include folder we need to create one hpp file, and under src we need to create two files. One is main.cpp and one is our function.cpp. So here after I have written the program, everything I have written. So the same way, what we need to do, you need to come out of that particular path and enter into part 5. So after going to part 5, just type these commands whichever we have did for the same as upside. So here just write matrix. The file name we have kept it is matrix.cpp. Here also matrix.o. Yeah, now it's kind. Next try to build for main also done. So next try to build for this one. Here also we need to change the file names. Matrix. Yeah, now try to run this code. After getting this slash build slash, just enter matrix code, whatever the name we have given in the end of the third command. Yeah, determinant is 2, because see, here we have written this code. Here it is, we have taken 2 into 2 matrix 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0. So here 0 we have given 1, 1 we have given 2, 3 4. So here according to the formula, matrix 0 into 0, matrix 1 into 1. See here, so 0 into 0, 1 into 1, and next minus, we need to do the subtraction, and 0 here we need to multiply these two matrices, matrix 0 1 and 1 0. So here we have given the 2 4, I mean 1 1 1 4 2 3. So the value will come determinant as a -2. So here we have got all the outputs. So after getting all the outputs, now we need to push into git bash. So coming to git bash, we need to come out of that command. So next, yeah, now we are in under software folders. So from here just type git add. Why we are using git add? Sorry, first we need to check git status. Here we are getting part 1. I mean, right now I have done only one modification. Before I have done entire. I mean, already I have post. So just for cross verifying, I'm explaining. I'm explaining. So after that, git add space dot. Yeah, it is added. Now try to check git commit -m. Just mention. Just give any name. Updated the code. Yeah, now enter. One file is changed. So now check git status. Nothing to commit. Now try to push the code. Push master. Yeah. If you click on this command, so right now here you will get all these codes. Okay, here we are getting part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, entire folders we are getting. Include folder, include, we have all these files. So this is the way we need to create all the folders, and we need to push into the GitHub. So yeah guys, thank you.